Work out 918 divided by 27, and we're not going to use a calculator for this, so we're going to use long division. So setting out the problem correctly, so we want 918 and we need to draw this line in, and 27, as opposed to short division where you normally draw this line this way. So you need to draw it up and across like that. And what you say is 27 into 9 obviously doesn't go. 27 into 91 will go 3 times. And then above the 1 here, you now put a 3. Now 3 times 27, so we can do that using 3 times 7, which is 1, carry the 2, and then 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 2 gives me 8. So we get 81. So, and then we have to do a subtraction. So 1 take 1 is nothing. 9 take away 8 is 10. So 91 minus 81 is 10. And then what we need to do, obviously because 27 doesn't go into 10, we need to bring down an 8. And now we need to do 108 divided by 27, and 27 will go into 108 4 times. And then 4 times 7 is 8, carry the 2. And then 4 times 2 is going to be 8, plus the 2 will make the 10. And now if we now do another subtraction, we're going to get 0. So the remainder is 0. Now because the remainder is 0, 27 goes into 918 exactly. So the answer is 918 divided by 27 is equal to 34. So this has been a video to show you how to do 918 divided by 27 by long division.